drawings and a little bit of perspective, so you can see before you finalize the end of the design. So basically, my concept is the modern topic, and as you can see, the message here, it shows that how did I get the initial ideas from that colored forms, the messing form. So this is the build-up area, which is I took from 100 feet by 100 feet, and after the setback, 3 meter surrounded by the setback, and the front, and you can see at the front of the porch here, there's 6 meters for the big road setback. Okay, this is my ground floor plan, where if you can see there is it's already in drafted kind of scheme. It was as usual. What I would like to explain is the plans are not really that much of changes. Where you can see there is the entrance is here, and then you can enjoy the view around. You can see the views on the right hand side, the garden, and then you can enter to the house using the wet kitchen. And then when you go into the house and then you pass by the dry kitchen or the pantry, and then you can go and eat at the dining area. Okay, as you can see, this is the ground floor plan. It is mainly for the back house or the visitor. Which you can see here on my left hand side, there is a guest room. So the guest will park the car here, and then will directly go to the guest room. Okay, what you can see here in my design, if you use the main entrance, you can enjoy the gallery, which is double volume, and the living room also is double volume. And then when you go upstairs, you can see there's a space where you can see there's a family area, and then a balcony and a gym, an open gym. And then when you pass by this terrace, you can see there's 2 bedrooms. One is a bedroom one, and the second one is the master bedroom. What's so special about my design is you can see it's a naked bathroom, which is it is open for the user to enjoy outdoor kind of shower. I will show you on my 3D on my next slide. So if you go back to this staircase, you will go up and you will see there's open space, which is a flat roof, but you can use the space. And then there's 3 bedrooms, which is between 3, 4, and 5. And each is and then you can enjoy the view, the void towards the garden. Okay, this is the first perspective, which is I showed you for the guests to park here, and then they can directly go inside the guest bedroom. And then this part, which is we call it the featured wall, it divides, like my concept says, it divides in 2 worlds, which is you can enjoy the house and you can separate from your own hectic world to a space, a private space. Okay, this is the back house entrance, which you can park here, and then you can directly go inside the house without messing up the space for wet kitchen area. Okay, as you can see, this is there's a lot of ventilation and windows because my building based on design topic. Okay, this is the left side. You can see a bit clear what's going on here. There's louvers and openings also on this side. But you can see in this design, my design is modern and tropic. So this is on the back of the house. My material I use box cement for ventilation. So this part is an open bathroom. So people can they can see outside, but people outside cannot see inside what's going on here. And this also has a meaning, which is the space can be more to the nature. And then I didn't color this part because this one we have there's a, we call it inside view, which is it helps a lot on indoor view, which is this part is a pond. I didn't color it, but I wanted to focus on it. That's why I surrounded my glasses around here so people can view the garden pond. This is on the other side, which is this part is the family area where people can they can go outside and use that outdoor space. And this one is for the people who wants to use the gym, the mini gym, but they wanted some views, so I did some opening here. Okay. This is the second project, which is D-Face. I already told you from last week, but I want to recap back. What you can see here is a space for a refurbishment on terrace houses. And then this one, this is the initial drawing, whereby you can see the car park is here, and then this is where they can walk on the pavement, and then they can use this part for sitting, and this is the water fountain, the mini water fountain, and some rock in cage, and then some pergola inside here, and this is an open slab, so it can see through. Okay, this is the perspective I did for some ideas on how you can see what's going on here. Whereby you can see when you park the car, you stop here and then you walk on the side, and you can enjoy the focal view, axis view, and then you can go directly here and sit first before you enter the house. Or you can use another way, which is you can just go through the pergola, just give a sense of welcoming sense. I think that's about it. Some initial ideas on whatever I'm designing.